Ladies and gentlemen, ALZO has good news for pro camcorder users. Many excellent stereo shotgun microphones are made for DSLRs by ASDN, Audio-Technica, Sennheiser, Rode, Shure, and others. These affordable mics have male 3.5mm TRS stereo connectors, yet most professional camcorders have XLR inputs. Now you can use these stereo shotgun microphones on pro camcorders with the ALZO Stereo Mic XLR adapter cord. This short cord has a 3.5mm TRS female stereo jack at one end and two male XLR connectors at the other. One of the XLRs has a color band marker for right-left channel ID. So grab the ALZO Stereo Mic XLR adapter cord and connect one of these stereo microphones to your camcorder today.